welcome back to our Monday Live with MJ and attorney 𝗟𝗏𝘆, where we kick off the week on a brighter side. You know, our world often measures success by who tops the charts, like the top global 500 companies list or the Fortune Global 500. But maybe it's time we revisit and change the criteria by which we define success. Is it all about profit and growth, or should we be looking deeper? Today, we'll dive into some ideas about how real greatness looks like, and it's not always what we see on the surface.
That's right, MJ. We're here to explore how success should be more than a financial rank. Let's talk about how the inverted pyramid can help us redefine greatness. Take an iceberg, for instance. An iceberg's splendor, that crisp, shimmering tip that you see above the water, is just a fraction of its true self. Underneath lies this vast, heavy structure, an inverted pyramid that supports everything you see on the surface. Without that unseen depth, there's no stability. It's perfect metaphor for life, right?
Absolutely. And it's not just icebergs. Think of diamonds. The diamonds too. We marvel at their brilliance. But that beauty is only formed under immense pressure, deep within the earth, where both the pyramid and inverted pyramid shapes come into play. That diamond was nothing until its foundation was laid under pressure, before its final form could ever shine in the light.
And you know, this concept, building the unseen foundation before the beauty, really reminds me of Jesus. He spent years humbly laying the inverted layers and inverted pyramid of his ministry before he was ever exalted. He didn't even rise to glory, and he didn't skip the hard part by staying at the surface. He came to serve, not to be served, teaching us that the first shall be last, and the last shall be first.
Wow. Yes, Sean. Before he was crowned the King of Kings through his resurrection, he was washing the feet of his disciples. That's the inverted pyramid. Jesus descended into humility, service, and sacrifice before his exaltation. Compare that to our corporate world today, where CEOs and wealthy individuals are often praised for their financial success. But who did they save?
That's a powerful question. You see, in our world, we celebrate people at the top of the pyramid, those who are number one in wealth or status. But did that CEO make the employees' lives better? Did they give them a comfortable home? Did they offer them a life balanced in spiritually, physically, emotionally, and socially?
Yeah, the spiritually, physically, emotionally, and socially. So often we glorify success measured by numbers. But Jesus turned that paradigm upside down. He showed us that the foundation of greatness isn't wealth or power. It's in service, in lifting others, and in love. Simple. True success isn't measured by how many people work for you, but how many lives you touch and transform. How many?
Well said. Thank you, MJ, everyone, for listening today. Until next time, let's keep building those invisible foundations.
Yay! Take care and see you soon, guys. Ciao, everybody.
Thanks for watching our video today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to follow us on our other social media links, they're right here. Have a great day.